Hi everyone, today we are going to start new lesson of Microsoft Word. In this session, I will be using Microsoft Word 2010 version. If you are using Word 2007, 10, 13 or any other version, this you can continue with that one. As everyone well known that Microsoft products are well famed in the market and Word is one of the most popular products of Microsoft. It is an easy to use. By using Microsoft Word, we can create any kind of notes, documentation and designs etc. Mostly, Microsoft Word is an educational application used by teachers, students to make their assignments, projects in school, college and universities. Hi, I'm Krishna from KRITECH Computer World. Let's get started. So first of all, let me show how to open MS Word. For that, I'm pressing on Windows button or simply we can click on it using mouse. Okay. So here just type for Word, W-O-R-D and just hit enter, or as you can see what application is displayed here, just simply you can click on the application and you can open it. So just I can simply hit enter. Okay, for now just I'm closing on it. Also we do have another method to open MS Word, that is by using run command key. So for that I'm pressing on Win plus R key and here we have to type WinWord, W-I-N-W-O-R-D. In this day 1 of introduction session, I will be covering only basic and some important introductory part. As we move ahead, we will implement each and every point with the real project experience. So, this is the first interface of Word 2010 version. As here you can see at the top left corner, we have Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar means to access any tools quickly to complete our tasks. We can pin any tools here, like example, let me pin a tool on it. Okay, just right click here and click on add to quick access toolbar. Okay, as you can see here, it is pinned here. Okay, in this way we can pin anything here. Now if we want to remove it again from the quick access toolbar, then simply we can right click on particular tools and click on remove from quick access toolbar. See how you can do that. See, the picture is already pinned here, so if we need to unpin it again, remove it from the quick access toolbar, so we can simply right click here and remove from quick access toolbar. You can just simply have to click here. Okay, and these are the tab menus. Next, it's called ribbon. During working period, if it is needed to hide, then we can right click here anywhere and simply we can minimize the ribbon, means it will get hide. Okay, so shortcut key for hide the ribbon or show the ribbon is just simply we can press Ctrl plus F1, then it will get display, or if it is already displayed, then to hide it just again we have to press Ctrl plus F1. Okay, so in this way we can hide or show the ribbon. Okay, on the top and left side we have ruler here. As you can see here, as per the requirement we can set the margin by dragging rulers like this to top, or like this we can take to the down, means to bottom. Okay, in the top you can see in this manner we can take it to the left or to the right in this manner, in this way. Okay, it means from here we can set custom page margin. In further session we will learn to manage page layout in advanced way. Okay, sometimes, so for now just I am resetting it to normal. Okay, sometimes rulers get hide. On that case, here we have ruler view or hide option, hide button. On clicking it, it will get display or hide the ruler. Okay, as my ruler is already displayed here, just to hide it, just when I click on it, it will get hide. And again, if it is needed to show, then just simply again I will click here. Okay, at the bottom left corner, we have whole page status bar. As you can see here, here we can see how many pages currently we are working with and how many words we have typed. Like you can see there is 0 words showing right now because we have not typed anything here. It means all the status will get displayed here on this bar, on this area. Okay, here at the bottom right we have zoom slider. Through this minus and this plus button, we can zoom in or zoom out our display. At the same left, we have page view mode, as you can see here. As per requirement, we can view the page. As currently, you can see I am on print layout view, right? And this is the default view we work. And we have also different view mode like full screen reading and web layout mode, right? So as per the requirement, we can just simply click on that and we can use the application. Okay, at the right, as we can see, we have a vertical scrolling bar, and on zoom in view, when I click on the plus button, it will get zoom in, right? When in the zoom in view, see here, also we'll get horizontal scrolling bar which help us to move from left to right? Okay, finally at the mid we have, okay, let me make it first 100% view. Okay, finally at the mid we have workbook or called document. As you can see, a white space. All these areas are called workbook because we will be working or doing our tasks inside of this only. Okay everyone, on the session of day 1, we have learned basic and some important introductory part. In the next session, we will start to implement our tools on real project experience. Thank you. See you in the next session.